All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Opportunity Park with one Faith Mackenzie Snow, who is going to attempt the incredible feat of completing the monkey bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you think you can do it? How you feeling, champ?
Excited.
You feeling excited? Okay. Can she do it, Hope? Can she do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
She's standing there, Dad.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, sweetheart, say, "Let's go, Faith. Let's go, Faith. Let's go, Faith." 1, 2. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, she's a champ. 3. Oh yeah, you can do it. 4. You say you can do it. 5.
You can do it, 5.
6. 7. 1 more. 8. And the dismount. Take a bow, take a bow. Ladies and gentlemen, she's done it. Give her a hand, clap for her, clap. Say, way to go, Faith. Way to go, Faith. Way to go, Faith.
This is how we do our claps in kindergarten.
Okay, show me.
She doesn't like the loud.
Okay, well tell me, how does it feel to know that you have accomplished the complete circuit? Hopi's turn, okay. Why don't you go talk to the elephant? Talk to the elephant? Okay.
Mr. Elephant?
Yes? Say bye-bye.
Mr. Elephant?
Say, do you like peanuts?
Do you like peanuts?
I love them.
Elephant?
I love them. Pat him on the head. Say, good elephant.
Good elephant.
Say, bye, Mom.